Hello students, I am Miss Nazia Deshmukh from RC Patel English Medium School, Holnate. Today we will learn new topic from Class 6 Geography, Motion of the Earth. In this lesson, we will learn about motion of the Earth, rotation of the Earth, revolution of Earth, summer solstice and winter solstice. Motion of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. The motion of the Earth around its own axis is called rotation of the Earth. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate around its axis, and this period is called Earth Day. We experience day and night due to rotation of Earth. Here you can see the Earth is rotating around its axis, and because of that the day and nights are formed. Circle of elimination. The circle that divides the day with night is called circle of elimination. The circle of elimination always make angle of 23 by 30 degree from the earth axis. In this diagram, you can see the half portion of earth is in front of the sun and half portion is black where night is there, and the portion which is having light, it is day. Revolution of the earth. Motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. It takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution. It's a year. In our calendar, we consider a year as 365 days, and after every 4 years, we name the year as leap year, which has 366 days. Seasons of the earth change due to revolution of the earth. Here in this diagram, you can see the earth is revolving around the sun in its orbit. So, earth is continuously revolving around the sun in an orbit by which the seasons are formed. Summer solstice. The position of the earth at which north pole of the earth is inclined towards sun. The Arctic Circle are in continuous daylight. 21st June is the day on which longest day and shortest night in northern region. Similarly, reverse in southern region. Here you can see the earth, when earth is rotating, revolving around the sun, that time when the position of earth at which the north pole of the earth is inclined towards the sun, that is called as summer solstice. Winter solstice. The position of the earth at which the south pole is inclined towards the sun, that is called as winter solstice. The Antarctic Circle experience continuous daylight. 22nd December is the day when the longest day and shortest night in southern hemisphere and reverse in northern hemisphere. Same in the diagram you can see when the earth is revolving around the sun and the position of earth is like that. The south pole is inclined towards the sun, that we call as winter solstice. Equinox. The position of the earth at which neither of the poles, means south or north, is inclined towards sun is called equinox. This position of the earth comes twice a year and equator experience direct ray of the sun. On 21st March and 23rd September, earth experience equal day and night. Here in this diagram also, you can see the revolution of the earth around the sun, and there are the two positions where the none of the pole is inclined towards the sun. That's why on that position there is the day and nights are equal in both the regions, southern and northern region. That is called equinox. Students, I hope you had understood about the motion of the earth. Thank you.